Hello, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Beautiful day in Baltimore. Today I'm on a 2019 Scout 275 LXF. Starting with the profile on this one, we did the shark gray. Looks absolutely fantastic. Really defining color for Scout. Really makes it stand out in a crowd. Twin Yamaha, 200 horsepower, XCAs. That is the electronic shift and throttle. Makes it much more smooth, easy to dock, easy to transition from power, and really none of those sticky spots when you're driving the boat. Makes it operation much more simple. In the cockpit, very spacious cockpit. There's room for both hanging out with the seat. The seat does fold up. If you do want to use this more as a fishing machine, you're going to have the bait wells on either side. Cooler, freshwater rinse down, and a couple of storage drawers. As we move towards the helm, we have a nice flip-up bolsters, double wide helm seat, so definitely room for two. Flip down armrest, very easy to operate from here. Tilt steering wheel, full electronics package, twin Garmin screens, Fusion stereo, and a VHF radio. As we move forward, 275, you are going to find a nice storage compartment. There is going to be a vacuum flush head in there, as well as access to your battery switches and the dedicated storage spot for the bow table. Nice wide walkways moving forward. We did do the fender pros on this one. Pulling your fenders in and out is a snap. You don't have to tie anything up. You just snap it in and out. Real easy. Moving forward, we get the nice seat. Lots of storage on this boat. It's going to be storage underneath all the different seats and as well as the floor. Again, your bow cockpit table slides in. No post in the ground. Very easy to use. Keeps it out of the way. Nice deep seating. Again, room for easily 5 up front. Going all the way forward. Another great option we did end up putting on here is the cup holders that are also rods holders. So really keeps the boat real versatile, as well as access here to your windlass. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland, 2019 Scout 275. Give us a phone call. We'd love to get you out on the water.